At IEG Service, customer satisfaction is at the core of our business model. To ensure we're consistently meeting and exceeding our customers' expectations, we rely on Salesforce Field Service. This powerful platform enables us to quickly dispatch and route technicians to your location while keeping you connected and informed every step of the way. When you contact IEG Service, Salesforce instantly identifies and dispatches the nearest available technician. The Salesforce app on our technician's phone provides all job details and GPS routing to the exact location of your compactor or baler. Once on site, your IEG technician gets to work, diagnosing and repairing the issue while documenting the entire process with photos. After the repair, a full 4-corner walkaround is completed, along with a detailed summary and images of the service performed. Once the job is complete, Salesforce's automated billing system sends a clear, itemized invoice, giving you full transparency into labor, parts, and time. Throughout the process, you'll receive real-time updates, so you always know what's happening. And once your machine is logged in our system, we have the ability to give you full visibility into service history, repair trends, and preventative maintenance for each of your machines. At IEG Service, we know how disruptive a downed compactor or baler can be to your business. That's why our mission isn't just to get your equipment running again, but to keep it running.